Today, how's everybody doing? I hope everyone's still staying safe. Today my younger daughter has a fever, so I want to make her soup, but I have some leftover chili, so I'm just going to use this and make soy milk soup. First, so this was in the refrigerator, so I'm just going to put this in a pan. Then I'm going to put 2 cups of soy milk in here. Okay, I don't have 2 cups of soy milk. I'm just going to put regular milk in too. But I normally put soy milk in 2 cups. With cooking, if you don't have something, normally you can substitute it with something. So you don't really have to be super specific about recipes, in my opinion. Especially during this pandemic, we should all try to make something with what we have in our refrigerator as much as possible. Okay, so while that's heating up, I have 3 asparagus here. First, you want to cut the end off, and then peel about 2 inches of this bottom part because it's kind of stringy and hard. It's not nice when you eat that part with the skin on. Okay, so it should look like that. I hope you can see that. And then you want to cut these about that size, or you peeled, looks like that, so it looks very fresh and nice. So once it's almost to a boil, we put our asparagus in. And you don't want to overcook the asparagus, just for like a minute. Okay, that looks perfect. Get a really nice bowl of soup.